this busy, hectic, and tedious city life, we work relentlessly to keep up with our goals in our professional and personal life. Workload, pressure, tiring commutes are just exhausting for everyone, be it a man or woman.
डोंबिवलीत गेले 40 वर्ष मी आहे आणि बऱ्याच वेळा मसाजची गरज भासते, पण ती मसाजची गरज व्यवस्थित पूर्ण होऊ शकली नाही.
It's very obvious that the kind of massage we need is in a month's time we need it.
डोंबिवली सारख्या ठिकाणी ही गोष्ट वेलनेस किंवा स्पा थेरपी असणं खूप गरजेचं आहे असं मला वाटतं.
मला सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा आश्चर्य वाटलं ज्या वेळेला मी इथे आलो की आमच्या डोंबिवलीमध्ये इतका सुंदर असा स्पा आहे.
Finally, we got a very good spa in our locality.
In 2018, I opened Genuine Family Health Spa to provide premium spa services in comfortable and serene environment at affordable cost.
Spabulous is an excellent destination for everyone who would essentially like to be distressed and wants to enjoy well-being. The aromas, the oils, the textures, and the therapies are all designed with the thoughtful determination of calming and nurturing your body and mind into a sense of wellness.
When you think about spa, it should directly connect to your mind. That is nothing but your mental well-being. Most of the people think it's a luxury, but very few people understand that this is a necessity in today's life.
The design of Spabulous is based on all our senses. The touch, that is the massage that you receive in a massage room. Vision, that is the ambience, the decor, the rooms, the texture of the spa. Hearing, the silent, soothing music during our therapy. Smell, the calming or boosting aroma around you in the spa. And finally, the taste. To soothe your taste buds, we offer beverages like lemon tea, green tea with honey, and herbal tea.
मुझे फैबुलस का एम्बियंस बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
बऱ्याचदा आपला असा एक समज असतो की आपण मसाज सेंटरमध्ये जातो किंवा एखाद्या स्पामध्ये जातो तर ती एखादी चैनीची गोष्ट आहे किंवा सुखवस्तूपणाची गोष्ट आहे. असं अजिबात नाहीये. मी ज्या वेळेला स्पॅब्युलसमध्ये आलो आणि मी या ठिकाणी जेव्हा मसाज करून घेतला त्यावेळेला माझ्या असं लक्षात आलं की शरीरासाठी खूप म्हणजे खूप आवश्यक गोष्ट आहे.
The people here, the ambience, it's a very beautiful setup that they have, and actually it's a relaxing feeling once you get that 1 hour of massage from here. It's super feeling.
We offer worldwide therapies which we explain to our guests and help them choose a suitable therapy for their body type and needs, like aromatherapy for light pressure, Swedish massage with medium pressure, traditional Thai massage which is dry, Balinese massage which is invented in Bali, deep tissue or sports massage for bulky, fatty or muscular body with heart pressure, hot stone therapy which works on body chakra, that is energy centers, Abhyanga, that is Ayurveda massage, foot reflexology, dry or oil massage only for back, and head massage.
As per study, steam bath is essential after your massage, as it eliminates your body toxins from your body. We have advanced steam facility in Spabulous.
Apart from massages, we also offer body scrubs and polish which really helps to rejuvenate and hydrate your skin. With all our 100% natural products, this removes your dead skin and helps to soothe your sensory nerves spread across your skin. Guests also can enjoy pedicure and facial in Spabulous.
All these therapies are delivered to our guests by trained, certified and experienced staff from Northeast. We can proudly say that we have good number of female clients because they feel safe and comfortable in Spabulous.
For ladies also, this is a good place.
One main concern I had was like a spa when you discuss and this is the main concern for the ladies about it, but the treatment that they have for the ladies and that is actually what we need, and complete family spa.
We offer male to male and female to female spa services. It's a genuine family health spa.
In February 2020, we had an on-site corporate event at Piramal Healthcare staff at their head office in Mumbai. We offered foot reflexology sessions to their busy workaholic staff. Another event in 2020 was a charity run for dialysis organized by Rotary Club of Dombivli in association with Kalyan Dombivli Runners Group. It was a privilege for Spabulous being a recovery partner for such social causes, where our therapists had given a free foot reflexology to the runners after their successful finish. At Spabulous, we pay personal attention while choosing a quality oil which we use for massage, even the quality of towels, robes, and disposable undergarments. About the spa hygiene, extra care is being taken for daily cleaning of the spa premises, COVID precautions.
This is well maintained. Hygiene is also their top priority.
आणि महत्वाची गोष्ट जी मला सर्वात इथे आवडते ती म्हणजे या ठिकाणी असणारी स्वच्छता, या ठिकाणी असणारा शांतपणा. म्हणजे पूर्ण बॉडीच नाही तर तुम्ही मेंटली सुद्धा अतिशय रिलॅक्स होऊन या ठिकाणाहून बाहेर पडता.
And that's why we have a huge number of happy customers.
महिन्यातनं एकदा तरी इथे यावं. खूप छान आणि फ्रेश वाटतं.
तुम्हाला जर हा अनुभव इथे घ्यायचा असेल तर जरूर तुम्ही या.
That is their first priority. That customer is happy and they are comfortable. They are getting whatever they want or whatever they were expecting.
Visit Spabulous and reclaim your life.